So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to add inventory items in Xero. So firstly, you need to create a tracked item. Go to Business, Products and Services, then click Add Item. Enter a unique item code and an internal item name. Then check I purchase this item and I sell this item, filling in your default unit prices, descriptions, and account codes. Now, check I track this item and select your inventory asset account to enable active stock tracking. If you want to record or purchase or sync, create a purchase bill and select your tracked item. Xero will automatically target your asset account. And once the bill is approved, Xero updates your balance sheet, increases quantity on hand, and recalculates average. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.